Welcome to the 3-Minute Leadership and Management Series, where you will be introduced to a breadth of effective leadership and people management skills that have worked well for me and others I have taught over the years. This series covers ways to address various scenarios as a leader and manager. It will enhance your skill set, and I'll introduce tricks of the trade. But I can assure you, there will be no Jedi mind tricks.
The Force is with you, young.
Let's talk about building teams through respect.
But you are not a Jedi yet.
Many managers and companies talk about work-life balance, but are their words and actions aligning? I know a manager who talked about work-life balance, then called his employee in the hospital room who had a heart attack the day before to get work information. What message is being sent here? I enjoyed what I did, and sometimes found myself waking up at 4 a.m. in the morning to work, while addressing emails at midnight the day before. In my mind, I was trying to show how hard I worked, and was not considering the impact on my team. Bottom line, I was burning myself out, and doing the same to my team, because they felt they had to keep up with me. After some retrospection, I realized the reason I kept such crazy hours is because my manager did. I brought this to my manager's attention, and we both stopped calling into meetings while on vacation, took ourselves offline at respectable hours, and strongly encouraged the team to do the same. It was amazing. Team stress levels dropped. I worked with managers who assigned tasks, then constantly checked progress, modified the work direction, and requested updates on a daily basis. True micromanagers. While I'm sure the managers were under a lot of pressure, managing that pressure in the face of your team is key. Constant distractions will impact the team's efficiency, and you will lose trust that you are watching out for them. One great way I found to gain teammates' respect was through team recognitions. I sent a monthly anonymous request for the team's feedback to see who they would vote for to be the most supportive person on the team that month. That person received a trophy, public recognition, and the bragging rights for that month. Teammates really loved getting this reward, and it built trust amongst peers. Showing respect was a key takeaway today. Align your words and actions. People management has its challenges, and being conscious of your actions, both verbal and nonverbal, is one of them. Empathize with your employees before you take action, and assess the impact on them. Trust your team will get the job done. You hired some really bright people or inherited them. Either case, give your brilliant team tasks, monitor and watch them succeed. Respect and recognition can come in many forms. Managers aren't the only ones to recognize team members that are supportive. Let your team do it for you. The recognition from peers carries a lot of weight. It is my sincere hope that you enjoyed this video. We have many more fun topics to cover in both leadership and management, and here are just a few. We will cover skills you can learn and go over real-life scenarios I encountered over the years in hopes you can use these stories to overcome similar challenges. If you enjoyed this video, please like and click the subscribe button below so you can be informed when new videos are released. And feel free to leave comments on subjects you would like to hear more about in the future. Take care, and may the Force be with you.
Don't underestimate the Force.